Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Middle Village is a small coastal community in Halifax County, Nova Scotia, located along the province's rugged Atlantic shoreline. It lies within the Halifax Regional Municipality and is closely connected to nearby communities such as West Dover and Peggy's Cove. The area is known for its rocky coastline, quiet roads, and long history of life connected to the sea. The population of Middle Village is small, with only a few hundred residents living in the surrounding area. Like many rural coastal communities in Nova Scotia, the population is spread across homes overlooking coves, forests, and the Atlantic Ocean. While the area remains quiet year-round, visitor numbers increase during the warmer months as people come to experience the scenery and coastal lifestyle. Fishing has been one of the most important industries here for generations. Lobster fishing remains a major source of income, along with crab harvesting and other commercial fisheries. European settlement along this section of Nova Scotia's coast began in the 18th century. Communities developed around natural harbors and fishing grounds, with families relying on the ocean for their livelihoods. The sea provided both opportunity and challenge, as storms and rough waters were a regular part of life for coastal residents. Over time, these communities became known for their resilience and close ties to maritime traditions. The nearby village of Peggy's Cove became famous around the world for its picturesque lighthouse and dramatic landscape. The iconic lighthouse was first established in the 19th century and has become one of Canada's most recognized landmarks. The surrounding coastline, including Middle Village, shares the same granite outcrops and ocean views that have attracted artists, photographers, and visitors for decades. The natural environment around Middle Village is shaped by the Atlantic Ocean. The climate is moderated by the sea, bringing relatively mild summers and winters compared with inland areas. Coastal fog is common, especially during spring and early summer, creating the distinctive atmosphere often associated with Nova Scotia's shorelines. Strong ocean winds and changing weather have influenced life here for centuries. Housing in Middle Village reflects its desirable coastal setting. Properties range from traditional fishing homes to modern waterfront residences. Home prices vary depending on ocean access and views, but average home prices in the Halifax region have generally been around $600,000 in recent years. Waterfront properties often command significantly higher prices due to their location and limited supply. Today, Middle Village remains a quiet community where traditional industries and modern lifestyles exist side by side. Fishing continues to shape local culture, while tourism and remote work have brought new residents to the area. Its location near Halifax allows people to enjoy coastal living while remaining connected to one of Atlantic Canada's largest cities. Thanks for watching!